Hello YouTubers and welcome to Earn IT. In this tutorial I will show you a site from which you can earn a lot daily. The earning from the site is really easy. It will not take a lot of your time, so you can earn a lot from this site in very less time. So without wasting time, let's get started. You can find the link to the site in the description. Click on the link and you will be on the site. The site is in Russian language, so if you are using Google Chrome, then translate the site, or you can also translate the site from the option available here at the top. So without after creating your account, just go to the site, create your account, then log in. After creating your account, you can see that this is the dashboard of the site. At the top you can see the option of earn, the withdraw, then your email, and below it is your balance, and all the other options are also available here of payments, profile, new order, all orders, top up, support, and logout. At you can see that the tasks I have done are 52. All of these I have done all of these tasks, and another one is available. You can see that all you have to do is click on this button of group. You should have a account in vk.com to earn from this site. So after the vk site loads, all we have to do is join the group from the button here, follow or join. The button will be here. Click on the button and then close the site. Click on the check button, and that's it. You will earn your money. You can see that 16.48 increased to 16.78, 0.3 rubles per task. The site is really amazing. So below it are the charts and other things. We are concerned only with this section. All of the tasks will be available here, and first you need to go to the settings. Here you have to attach your accounts, your vk.com account, your ok.ru account, your Twitter account, your YouTube if you want to use if you want to increase your earning, your YouTube account, your Telegram account, your TikTok account, your Quora account, your Tumblr account, your Vimo account, and your SoundCloud account. Then you have to choose which type of tasks you want to receive. Here I have chosen all of these except for YouTube, and from here you can choose the amount of the task, the price of the task that you want to get. So after setting up your account, just come on this available section and wait for the task. Now keep this tab open. Here you can see the option of notifications. Turn it on, and whenever a new task is available you will get a notification and you can instantly complete the task. You have seen that it only takes a few seconds to complete a task, and here you can see I have completed all of these tasks, 52. All of these 52 tasks, all of these were of join the group on vk, or like a post on vk, or repost of any post on vk. So by completing all of these tasks I have earned 16.78 rubles. Now from here you have to go to the profile and attach your account that you want to receive withdraw to. So go to the withdraw. So this is it for this. In this way you will get your you will start your earning from this side. So in the withdraw option you can see that multiple payment processes are available, and the minimum withdraw is only 15 rubles. The withdrawal, you will receive your withdrawal within 2 working days, and each unit new request. So before making a new request you have to make sure that there is no older request pending. And so below choose your wallet that you want to receive your withdrawal to. You remember that the minimum withdrawal is 15 rubles, and here you can see my balance is 16.78 rubles. So you can request your withdrawal to Yandex Money wallet, Kiwi wallet, your Steam account, Payeer wallet, Web Money wallet, your mobile phone, or to add cash. So I am requesting my withdrawal to Payeer. here I will attach my payer account number and the amount that I want to request. My account has 16.78 rubles, so I'm gonna request 16 rubles, and here I will add my account number. So my account number is added, amount is added. Now clicking on the withdraw money button, here you can see that you have received a code. You will receive a code on your email address, so you have to give the code here. So the code is attached, and now I'm clicking on the option of withdraw money again. Here you can see withdrawal request has been processed. You will get your money in 2 business days. So clicking on the payment history, here you can see 16 rubles and the status is pending. So let's wait for the withdrawal. So here we are back, and the payment took longer than expected because I tried to contact the company. They said that they were having issues with their payer and add cash account. So I think the problem is resolved, and you can see that one of my payments is completed. Due to the problem, I was not receiving the payment, so I requested another payment of 21 rubles. That the new payment cancelled my previous request, and I received the new one. Here you can see 21 rubles, and status is sent to my payer account on 15/8/2020. So you can see the proof. So you can see that I requested the payment on 15/8/2020 and I received it on 19/8/2020. You can see that this is the proof. Here you can see 21 rubles received on 19th August 2020. I also received a mail from from the site. Let me show you. So here you can see this is the mail that I received from the site. You can see the date 19th August, 2 days ago, and it is telling me that I have my withdrawal is completed. You can see that you have been successfully sent the payment of 21 rubles to your wallet. So you can see that the site is completely legit. There is some delay in the payment because of the problem with their payer account, but I hope that if you request a payment to another wallet, you will receive it fast. So this is it with the site. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Make happy earning.